Welcome to day 8 of our 30 days challenge communication. In this challenge, remember we started, it's a challenge initiated by President Virginia Nahkun, and we thought of joining the challenge to help you sharpen your communication skills, help you conquer if you have the fear of public speaking, and also give you some tips on how you can manage communication in whenever there is a crisis or there is a conflict. And yesterday we spoke about how you can prepare yourself if ever you are joining a multinational company, the things that you can do, the thing that you should do, communicating with your colleagues or your hierarchy. Today we are going to share with you some informal communication tools and channels that you may find in those multinational companies. You know, communication is very important, and when you are working in a multinational company, it's important that the communication channels are clear, well defined as well. So the first category of tools or communication tools that we have are is the instant messaging. So we have example like Google Chat, Slack, or Microsoft Teams. The other category is video conferencing. For example, we have Google Meet and Zoom. The next one we have is collaboration suites type of channel like Google Workspace, Docs, Google Drive, and the internal social platforms. You know, every company has its own intranet, internal blogs, forums that they use to communicate within the company. That type of communication is not for non-employees, it's just limited to the people working within the company. So when we talk of Google Chat, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, these are platforms that are usually used for sharing immediate feedback, quick project updates, or team morale boosters, like maybe encouragement for the week. Hey guys, this is a new week, remember we have this target to reach. These are usually the platforms that will be used, that you are most likely going to meet if you work for those companies. Google Meet and Zoom are mostly for coffee chats and walk and talks. They are used for unscheduled 5 to 10 minutes check-ins or quick brainstorming, and it also provides non-verbal cues, which is crucial for rapport. In those companies, you can have a one-on-one with your team leader. It will be most likely on a Google Meet or a Zoom. When we talk of collaboration suite like Google Workspace, this is used whenever we are asking for a specific feedback or a draft, like you are leaving a quick direct comment on a manager's document. You can just say, hey boss Michael, these are my thoughts regarding the project we are supposed to handle in this particular city. I believe that we can go like this, that, and that, you see. And now internal social platforms, these are just used on to comment leaders company-wide posts. This is a non-intrusive way to show your engagement, to ask a thoughtful clarifying question, or to express a support for an initiative. This is the end of year here in the Philippines, and usually and in every company there is the end of year party. In every of these channels or in every of these platform, you need to remember that each of them are used for a particular purpose. For example, if it's a chat, you can just, if you are reaching out to your boss, you can just say, hey boss Michael, I finished the Q2 report draft, and then the key finding of my report is this, that, and that. Now when we talk of Google Meet and Zoom, these help build relationship. Most companies right now, although some of them are migrating already to on-site work, most of them are still in a virtual or work from home setup. So when your team leader wants to talk with you in a Google Meet just to catch up on how you've been doing, maybe within the week or within the month, having a Google Meet with him or her help you guys keep that human relationship about the job. Again, if you are going to communicate through email or chat, refrain yourself from assumption, okay, and keep the communication as well very clear. You can say, I was just doing some analysis on this project and I noticed we could save about 5 engineering hours next month by automating the data export step. Or you can just say, hey boss, I realized that last report or last meeting that we had, there's this particular project that was supposed to be implemented, but the way it was implemented, I thought maybe we could do this other way. This is how you communicate via email. And for face-to-face communication, make sure that before you enter the office of your manager or your team leader, you can send maybe a heads up via Google, Microsoft Team, or you may say that, boss, do you have just 2 minutes? Can I walk in your office for just a 5 minute talk? And when you reach to the office, always have your paper and your notebook, and just go ahead and give them the key highlight, or maybe how you feel about a particular meeting. So that's it for day 8. I will see you tomorrow for day 9. I hope this is blessing you. If that's the case, do not hesitate to, if you have a question or you need to clarify something, share it in the comment section, and also share it with your friends or your family members that you know are going to work with, or where that you know that they have a very bright future, that you know that this person is going to most likely end in a multinational company. Shalom.